wash the pig, bring it out of Bida or any place that are putting rubbish. Bring it, wash it, put perfume in it, take it to a nice place. A pig will still be a pig. Igbo people, Fulani Hausa will never love you no matter what. No matter what. Let these media games, these games that are playing with you, you guys will never learn. Or no matter. Igbo people say in proverb that if you forget where the rain begin to beat you, you will never remember where it stopped. That is what I'm trying to say. The 2 million people they are killing during the Biafra time, you forgetted it. And you are trying to support a Banza Fulani man. No matter in any condition, any Banza Hausa Fulani man will support any Igbo man in any condition. And I'm saying, how much would they pay you? They will give you 5,000 because they have created the system. We are in the hardship system, so now you will find it difficult for you to be able to sustain your life. So now when they give you 5,000 naira, you can go and support them. They will not support you. Or they will not support you. Hausa Fulani man will not support you in any condition. So be wise and wake up. Number 2, your election in Nigeria does not count. You are going to election, you are going to election. The one you go to, your election in Nigeria does not count. To me, the name Nigeria expired 4 years ago. The name Nigeria expired 2014. Go and read the history. Me, my grandfather, my great-grandfather don't know how they forced me to be in the name in the country Nigeria. Nobody agree to be in this country called Nigeria. Nothing like Nigeria. Nigeria have expired. Nigeria expired 4 years ago. Nothing like Nigeria. So if you don't know, go and check the history. In the country that you will be, they don't treat you equal. If you go to northern Nigeria, they will give them cut-off mark, maybe 80. If they come in other places, they give them 200. Is there a country? If you go there, they are selling things cheap. If you come in other places, they are selling it high. Is there a country? And you are telling me is that our people who increase it? It's not our people. They make things very difficult for us. The name Nigeria expired during the Biafran war. These Hausa Fulani people you are supporting, they go and close the border between Southeast and Cameroon so that you will not pass. Because of you, they take Bakassi Peninsula and give to Cameroon. And you don't think. You don't have common sense. You don't have simple common sense. You don't have. You are supporting them. Nothing like Nigeria exists. There's nothing like Nigeria. Nigeria is a failed state. The name Nigeria is a scam. Is a fraud. Nothing like Nigeria. Nothing like that. So if you are supporting Nigeria, you are just a disgrace to the name, to the country called Biafra, which we will get in the future, whether you like it or not. You saboteurs, I don't want to talk about you guys. We will get it whether you people like it or not. The name Nigeria is a scam. Is a scam, and the name Nigeria have expired 4 years ago. So now you cannot force me to be in a country whereby I don't agree. The 90% of the country's constitution does not favor me. It favors foreigners who are sneaking from Niger, Chad, Cameroon, and the rest of them are coming. The people who are the indigenous people are being molested, being raped, being killed by who? Hausa Fulani. And you want to bring Hausa Fulani again. And you are telling me that you are bringing Obi. Who is Obi? Obi, right now, did Osibanjo have any power? For the past 2-3 years, going to 3 years, did Osibanjo have any power? Did Osibanjo have any power? Did Osibanjo have any power? Do your vote count? Did your vote count? Did Osibanjo have any power? You don't have common. I don't know where we lost our common sense. We have lost it. We have to wake up and stop sleeping. Nothing like Nigeria. Your vote does not count. Your vote doesn't count. Your vote don't count. The vote in African system is a scam. They have selected who will win. So don't give them opportunity to go and we know that they have selected who will win. Who they want to put in the seat. We know. Don't give them that opportunity. Let everybody don't even what is voting self. Why are you coming out to vote whereby you are voting them to kill you? Don't you see what is going on? You are voting them to kill you. And I'm seeing some guys coming out posting what are they calling itself? What are they calling it? Articulation. I mean, I can't even pronounce the other name because that name is I don't know where they come from. I don't know who those people are. You are articulating. You haven't finished buhalizing. You are articulating. Nothing like Nigeria. Your vote does not count. Your vote don't count. Nigeria is a scam, is a fraud, everything, nothing good about that country. And people are running away from the country. And you are here supporting somebody who don't love you. Somebody who don't love you, you are supporting the person. Somebody who will never vote for you. No how suffer any man. Yoruba people will vote for you if they put. Yoruba people will support. We know that they are saboteurs. They are sellouts. We know. I don't hate anybody. I'm trying to tell you the truth. But it's better for me to support a Yoruba person than to support an Hausa Fulani person, because a Yoruba man will not kill you. You haven't seen a Yoruba man killing you. But Hausa Fulani man will kill you, will suck your blood. They prefer cow more than you. Let the cow come out and vote for them. That cow they prevent, they love. They say that if you kill one cow, they kill 300 human beings. Now you are coming out to vote for them. Let those cows come out from the Sambisa forest and come and vote for them. I don't know where we lost our common sense. We used to be the people from the southeast who have knowledge. Now we have lost everything. We don't even have, I don't know where to begin. You are articulating. You haven't finished the one you put there. You haven't finished. They come together with those so-called reverend fathers. Where are those reverend fathers who bring this man in? Now they are now bringing bishops with pastor to bring this one too, so that they will come to legalize homosexual and the rest of them. We are preparing. We are going home. Whether you like it or not, we are going home. We are going home. We are doing what? Going home. We are going home. Nothing like that exists. If you want to know the name Nigeria have, just travel out of Nigerian border. Travel, leave Nigeria and go other places. You see the type of name you have. You are in Nigeria, you don't even know what is going on. You are supporting crime to support to support who don't love you. Somebody who don't love you, you are supporting the person. You are a sellout. They don't want to call you a fool, but you are a sellout. Somebody who don't love you, you are supporting the person. You are just a sellout. Not Nigeria is a scam. Number one, the country, let these people, Frederick Lord Lugard, let them come and stay for 100 years. If they can stay, we can stay after 100 years. It's 104 years. What are we still doing? It's a scam, it's a fraud. Nobody, my grandfather don't support. My father don't know what is Nigeria. They don't support. We were forced, and our grandfather was killed for being able to fix us in that country. If you don't know, I'm telling you, go and check the history. Number one, they have removed every history from our history books. Nigeria is a scam, a fraud. Nothing like Nigeria exists. The Nigeria is a failed state. Nigeria is a failed state and is a scam. No Hausa Fulani will vote for you if you are in that position. So be wise and stop sleeping. Biafrans.